basketball world begins to put the life and legacy of the now late Kobe Bryant into perspective, the Maverick want to explain and clarify what we've been saying about Kobe for almost his entire career. I say Kobe was good, Kobe was great, but he patterned himself too much of the great Michael Jordan. That status as one of the greatest players to have ever played the game of basketball. Leading a franchise to 5 championship rings is the stuff of greatness. In terms of his technical skills, especially his offensive skills, very few were better. Definitely the genuine Kobe Bryant, fully deserving of his own respect. So we have to say, well done, Kobe. Good game, my boss. Good game, excellent game, brilliant game. Well played, Kobe Bryant. Well played, well played. Respect, my boss. Well played.